Did you know most of the databases you use to access scholarly articles provide built-in citation tools to help you write your reference list? So when you're using an article from a database, look to see if that database provides a citation tool. This video will show you how to use the citation tools in several popular databases: EBSCO, ProQuest, JSTOR, and Google Scholar. I'll also show you what to do if a database doesn't offer a citation tool. Let's start with EBSCO. EBSCO is the platform behind a lot of databases like Academic Search Complete, Business Source Complete, and CINAHL. EBSCO also provides VCC Library with our main library search tool, which you can find on the VCC Library homepage. Enter keywords related to your search and click Go. Click on the title of the item you want. If you're off campus, you'll have to sign in. Find the Cite tool at the top right-hand corner of the page. It looks like a quotation mark. Under Select Style, click the drop-down list. Find APA 7th edition, or whichever citation style you require. Click Copy to Clipboard. Now open up a Word document and paste in the citation. Make sure you always double-check auto-generated citations to ensure they're accurate. Use VCC Library's citation guides, which you can find on the library website. Okay, next let's look at ProQuest databases. ProQuest is behind Canadian Business and Current Affairs, Sociology Database, and many other databases. Start by searching for your topic. You can find the citation tool on the search results page, to the right of each title displayed. Or you can click on the title of the item you want, and you'll find the Cite tool at the top right-hand corner of the page. Just like in EBSCO, the citation tool looks like a quotation mark. And just like in EBSCO, you select your preferred citation style from the drop-down list. Click Copy, and then paste your citation into your Word document. Remember to check that citation is accurate and formatted correctly. Okay, next let's look at JSTOR. Again, you can find the citation tool on the results page, or you can click on the item you want and find the Cite tool at the top of the page. This time, the Cite tool looks like a speech box. And instead of selecting a citation style from a drop-down list, just find the citation style you want and click Copy to the right of the citation. And once again, finding my Word document and pasting in the citation. Now let's look at Google Scholar. The citation tool is available on the search results page underneath each item. Click Cite. This time you'll have to highlight the citation you want, right-click, and select Copy. And then paste the citation into your Word document. Now, what can you do if a database does not create citations for you? Let's look at an article from ScienceDirect. ScienceDirect has a citation tool, but it's only useful if you're already using citation management software. You can get an auto-generated citation for an article you found in ScienceDirect by searching that article in Google Scholar. Just copy the title of the article, paste it into Google Scholar, and generate a citation using the method I already described. Now you have a good starting point for your reference list, but of course you'll have to make sure the citations are accurate and they're formatted correctly. Watch our video series on APA citation and formatting with Microsoft Word for tips and tricks.